Okay, let's take a minute here to take a look at a file operations here. My load and unload command. Okay, so what I've got here, let's take a look at the program. I've got 1 PB. When I push 1 PB, that's going to take a number from my thumb wheel, and I'm going to put it into storage 1. Also, when I push the 1 PB, it's going to then take a number that's in storage 2, and it's going to push it out to the thumb wheel. So numbers are coming into the thumb wheel, from the thumb wheel, and they're going out to the BCD. When I push 1 PB, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take that file and I'm going to load that file. Okay, so 1 PB is going to take that number from the thumb wheel, and it's going to put it into my Fifo array. Okay, and so every time I push the button, it's going to take a new number, it's going to stack it up there. When that is full, when my file is full, notice I got a length here of 5, and this gets done, well then I'm going to get memory here momentarily, and I've got to lock in, and when it's full, this will become true, and then I can use PB2 to manually unload the array. Okay, so what I've got going right now is I've got the thumb wheel set to 9999. Okay, and so if I come over here and I'm monitoring my tags here, I got my Fifo array, I'm going to take a look at it, and I'm going to go ahead and push the button right here. I push the button and I'm holding it down. My position is moved to 1, okay, and it moved a 999 into there. I'm just going to leave it at 999. I'm going to push the button again, and it takes another 999, and so it's shifting down, or I guess it's stacking the next number that comes in. I'm going to go ahead and push it again, and I got 999. Notice my position is 3, and then I'm going to push it again, and I get another number in there, 999, and it's 4. Okay, I'm letting it up. So at this point, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. I'm not done yet because my position has not reached 5, and you can see that this done bit isn't here. So here we go. I'm going to push the button again real quick. Ready? I'm holding the button. This got locked in, which means the Fifo control done became true. Okay, and so just for one scan, and so that locked it in. Okay, and notice that I let go of the button. I'm not getting a number here at Fifo 0. Okay, so now what was happening is, because I got this lock in, I'm going to go ahead and push the button again, and so because this lock in is true, I am now loading and unloading the array at the same time. So you can't really tell though, because I've got it, if I push it again, I'm just moving that 999 in. Okay, but if I change the number to 999 instead of 9,999, I just switch the thumbnail wheel and I'm going to push it. See how I got a 999 to come in this time, and I'm loading and unloading. Okay, push it again, loading and unloading. Push the button again, loading. So the numbers are loading into here, and they're being unloaded there. Okay. Now notice that this spot here, even though I've got 5, it doesn't get a number there, and that's what everybody kind of figured out, is that you make your control in your array 5 to capture 4 pieces of data there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this PB2, and because I did get the array to be full, the control was full, and I got that done, I can push 2 and unload it. So I'm going to go ahead and push this button right here, PB2. Let's watch what happens. It moved a 0 into there, and it got rid of the 9. So unload, unload, unload. Okay, so I've now cleared again, and let's go ahead and take a look at it again. So I'm going to put in a new number. I'm going to put in 1,099. So let's run it again. I'm going to load in 1,099. I'm going to let go. I'm going to change my number, and I'm going to load it up again. There's 1,000, and then I'm going to change the number again. I'm going to load it up. There's another number, and let's change the number again, and I'm going to load it up. There's another number, and then I'm going to load up maybe another number here. I keep changing the thumb wheel. So now I've continued to load up. I'll change one more number. Okay. How about there? there's another number, and you'll see that the numbers come in and they're shifting. Okay, and then if I want to unload them, I can do PB2, and the first one gets unloaded, the second one gets unloaded, the third one gets unloaded,